Creating an upsell offer after course checkout is a powerful strategy to increase revenue and offer additional value to your customers. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an upsell offer for your course and how it can work even if you're new to creating them. Stick with me to the end as I'll reveal how to use the software we'll be working with to make this process seamless, plus an exclusive free trial for you to try it yourself. First things first, an upsell is essentially a special offer that's presented after the initial purchase, in this case, your course checkout. It could be anything from a bundle deal, an upgrade, or a personalized coaching session. You want it to feel natural and not forceful. The goal is to offer something that complements the course the customer just bought, adding extra value. To create an effective upsell, start by choosing the right software. After trying several of the most popular options, I've found a great solution that's simple to use and integrates smoothly with most course platforms. We'll be using this software today, and there's an exclusive free trial available for you to follow along, so check out the link in the description below. Now, once you've signed up and logged into the software, the first step is to connect your course checkout page to the upsell feature. You'll want to go to the upsell section of your software dashboard. Here, you can create a new offer. This is where you'll decide what kind of upsell to offer your customer. For example, let's say you're offering an online course on digital marketing. After they purchase the course, you could upsell a personalized coaching call or a bundle of advanced digital marketing tools. Keep it relevant to their original purchase. Once you've chosen your offer, you'll need to customize the upsell page. This is where you can add persuasive copy. Make sure it speaks directly to the benefits of the offer and why it's a perfect addition to their course. It's important to keep this page clean and focused without overwhelming them. Just highlight the key benefits. Next, you'll set the price. You want to make this upsell attractive, but also keep it aligned with your customers' expectations. Offering a discount or bonus like a limited time offer can push them to take action quickly. You could also add a countdown timer to add urgency. Don't forget to test the flow. You want to make sure that after they purchase the course, they are smoothly redirected to your upsell offer without friction. A seamless experience will increase conversion rates. Once your upsell offer is set up, it's time to promote it. You can create email follow-ups, send out reminders about the limited time offer, or include a link in your course materials for easy access. To summarize, here are the key points. Choose a relevant upsell offer that complements your course, create a compelling upsell page, offer the upsell at a good price point, and ensure the process is smooth for the customer. Before we wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in this tutorial. You can get it by clicking the link in the description below. So the key takeaway here is that creating an upsell offer after course checkout is a great way to maximize your sales without being pushy. By offering a relevant, value-packed offer in a seamless checkout experience, you can significantly increase your revenue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.